Sir, I think if we want to fight COVID in true sense, then our central government should adopt the noble endeavors of all the state governments. Let me cite certain examples of our state government, sir. Number one, as you know that West Bengal is the only state in our country where the entire healthcare delivery system is absolutely free of cost. Sir, we have started the unique Safe Home project in which the mild symptomatic or the asymptomatic patients who cannot stay in their home because of some constraints, they can stay there, sir. We are having till date 200 safe homes with 11,507 beds. Sir, COVID protocol monitoring team, which looks after the infrastructure of all the COVID hospitals and the quarantine centers. Sir, COVID patient management system, which has been started by Mamata Banerjee. By using this system, at any point of time, you can see the status of the patient who is admitted in an hospital. And if you can see any patient is serious, this information is passed on to the COVID rapid response team. And that rapid response team runs to that particular serious patient, and in that way, in our state of West Bengal, the death rate is decreasing significantly. Sir, there is a regular death analysis. We are working on the comorbid factors. Sir, the community comorbidity study, by which we are identifying the patients who are at risk, the persons who are at risk. Sir, we have arranged testing at doorstep, sir. Sir, regular webinar to educate the rural doctors. Sir, COVID care network. In this system, the COVID survivors are taking care of the COVID patients and their family members, sir. Sir, Global Advisory Board under the Nobel laureate Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee, sir. Sir, Plasma Bank. As you know, in the coming days, plasma therapy is going to be one of the most important tools to fight COVID. We have already created Plasma Bank, sir. Sir, Health Regulatory Commission to cap the bill, because many a person in the country, they are facing a problem of overbilling, which is being done by some private hospitals, sir. Sir, my suggestion, please incorporate the private doctors.
There is a point of order. Let me hear. Just
government.
Mr. Babu Sen, please 1 minute, Dr. Sen. Please. Yes. Please.
Sir, my suggestion.
Please.
The government is only keeping the government doctors under the insurance scheme, but the private doctors are getting affected much more, and the case fatality rate among the private doctors is more than 18%. So my suggestion, the private doctors should also be brought under the insurance scheme. Sir, Indian Medical Association demands.
Please conclude now.
389 doctors died by now. All of them should be given Meta status and at least one job per diseased family. Sir, out of 193 healthcare workers, out of 573, they only got the insurance because of the procedural delay. This insurance policy should be simplified, sir. Sir, in the month of June, in the bench of Justice Ashok Bhushan in Supreme Court, in a case lodged by Dr. Arushi Jain, it has been said.
Please conclude, Dr. Sen.
Our department has said in writing.
Please conclude.
The doctors should take their own responsibility so far.
Please conclude, otherwise I have to.
Sir, this is very unfortunate.
Please.
Sir, ICMR should be given the liberty to declare that community spread has taken place because it is already one.
Thank you, Dr. Sen.
Only one more point, sir.
Thank you.
Only one more point. Sir, we are having a question in our mind. That rapid antibody test kit, which were bought from China with a profit of 1.
Thank you.